Hi, everybody. Hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me for today's distraction. I got two sleepy pups. Xana's making noise over there in the corner, and there's Wyatt. I don't think anyone's going to help me today, so we're going to have to do this without any assistance from my sleepy sidekicks. For today, I decided to do my May favorites while it was a little bit more fresh in my mind. Since you guys liked it when I did the April favorites from my style box, I decided to go ahead and do my May favorites now that it is already the end of May. Where is the time going? I can't believe it. Memorial Day is already gone. It's amazing. So I have several favorites here for you. I can't wait to run through them. I picked quite a few because I had a good month of May. So let's do this. First up, Trendsend. You guys know I love Trendsend. It's my very favorite style box, and I have the best stylist, Emma rocks it every time. So I have first up this amazing dress by Sundry. I love this dress. I think the color alone just makes me happy, and I want to pack it and run straight to the beach with it. It has a little tee back. I've not had the opportunity to wear it yet, but I hope to wear it very, very soon. Has a little ruching on the side, and it is just comfortable on. So this is my first favorite. Love it. We'll just cover up Wyatt. Next, also from Trendsend, I have three from Trendsend, two different boxes, is this skirt. The skirt is by Red Hot. It's a tie-dye, pull right on, doesn't ride up, and this fun black, gray, and white. Just goes with so much. I love it. Perfect skirt for any occasion. Would also pack well for a great trip to the beach if I ever get there. Love it. Next is a jacket. We had to include a jacket, right? We have to. This one is also from Trendsend, and the last item from my Trendsend boxes. This one is that Part-Time Lover jacket by Blank NYC, and I just love this one. It's so fun. It's super casual. Has all this distressing in it, and it has little zippers, little notch in the front, a little bit of that peplum back, also distressing in the back, and it has the little zippers on the sleeve. It's so soft and cozy, and this one was my favorite jacket for May. All right, switching over to Stitch Fix. So I had two great fixes this month because I did not get one in April at all. So I ended up getting, I think, one at the very beginning of May and one here at the end of May. And I have really bad news about my Stitch Fix stylist, Kate. She is wonderful. I love her. You guys were so fabulous about turning me on to her. But she is moving and isn't going to be a Stitch Fix stylist anymore. So I'm getting a new stylist, I guess. Much to my chagrin. I don't want a new stylist. I want Kate to keep being my stylist, but I will be getting a new one. But this was one of Kate's picks, and I love it. This is by Magnolia Grace. Such an easy wear. Feels wonderful dress. Has the fun little trim here at the bottom. There's a little bit of pink all through it. Love the little detail here at the top. Just fabulous. Kate really rocked it this month. I'm really going to miss her, but I wish her well. I want her to do, fabulous. And I will truly miss her. But I will be following her on YouTube. So we'll keep up with her and see how she's doing. But I love this dress. So fantastic. Also, another Kate pick, which I loved, obviously, and kept, is this amazing little top. Has the little keyhole in the front, tie keyhole in the back. Again, another great little vacation top. Makes me want to, again, pack this and that first dress and go straight to the beach. Isn't this pattern so pretty? It's a wonderful floral print. I love it. So pretty. I like too that you can adjust the back, so you can loosen this up at the neckline if you want. It has some great movement to it. I can't wait to wear this one. It's so pretty. And it goes with my last Stitch Fix favorite for this month, this awesome blazer. How pretty are these together? Another Kate pick, because she's fabulous. By Tahari. I love this blazer. Feels wonderful on. This is a quality piece. I love that you can cuff the sleeves or leave them down. They're great. It's great for summer. And this really pretty, I don't even call this, periwinkle blue, purpley. Just awesome color for going into spring, but you could wear this all year round. So this is another one of my favorites for this month. I just love it. It goes with so much. And you can wear it with jeans, or you can wear it with a skirt, wear it over a dress. Just perfect. Love it. Just gorgeous. Thank you, Kate. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I threw in a favorite that was not in a style box. This was one of my clothing hauls from Old Navy. How awesome are these fun little shorts? I adore these. Old Navy on sale. Got them super cheap. They made my favorites list for May because they are so darn adorable. I love these. I think they need more tropical prints like this. Love them. Another let's pack and go to the beach piece. Okay, so now I have a couple pieces that I got in my Nuuly. I don't know if I'm going to keep them, but I love them. So they made my favorites. And if you're not familiar with Nuuly or haven't caught that video from that unboxing, Nuuly is a rental subscription through the Urban Outfitter family. So Anthropologie, Free People, and Urban Outfitters. And you get 6 pieces every month for, I believe it's $88. And you get pieces from those brands, which are super expensive, right? And I love these 2 pieces. I have to think about it, but I think I'm going to let them go, but I'm torn. First up is these A. Goldie jeans with this fun striping down the side. I loved these. These were a straight leg, very, very comfortable. And they had no stretch. And I'm so used to jeans anymore with stretch that it took me a few minutes to get used to them. Once I did, I loved them. So these have a zipper fly because a lot of them have the button fly. But these have the zipper fly. So nice on. Love that extra little feature, you know, with just giving that nice dark striping. And they were just wonderful on. And I wore them with, which is why this also made my favorites, this Anthropologie top. And this was just so nice and airy and flowy, and it felt so good on, and I really liked wearing it. It does have the little, I don't know, I guess it's all cut open on the sleeve and just buttons shut. But I enjoyed wearing this. It was really pretty on. I liked it, and I loved this outfit together, these 2 pieces together. It's a fun outfit. So if you do decide to keep any items from Nuuly, they are deeply discounted. So it's usually between 33 and I think 60% off, something like that, depending on the item. So I have to decide what I want to do, but I really did love those 2. All right, and now I have a piece that might have been at the very end of April, and I was thinking it was May, but it's from my trunk club. So I'm counting it for May, even though it might have technically been my April trunk club. But I love this dress. How adorable is this Vince Camuto dress? And I got it for a really great price. It was on sale. It has a tie waist, a little flutter bottom, but basically it's a shirt dress, right? The buttons down the front in this nice olive color. It's very silky soft, and I just love it. So it also made my favorites for May. Since I didn't include it in April, it deserves a mention. And I will be wearing this soon. I still have the tag on it. I haven't worn it yet, but I plan to wear it since we have finally made it to warm weather. We've had consistently beautiful days in the 80s. I am loving it. We're supposed to drop down, I think, because this tropical storm has hit. We might be dropping down in the 60s, but I still think this dress would be great. So you'll probably be seeing it in my what I wore outfit of the day videos here soon. So pretty. All right, jewelry. So for April, I forgot to share what my favorite jewelry piece was. And for May, I actually think I'm sharing my Glamour Jewelry Box set. This is probably June's set, but I got it early. I'm counting it for May since I already have it, and I can't pick one piece. I'm actually sharing the whole set because I loved this set. So pretty. If you didn't catch my Glamour Jewelry Box video, I'm going to give you a peek here of all three pieces quickly. I love them. So first up is the earrings, and they are these adorable hoops, which I think would be perfect for any occasion. So I must have like baguettes the whole way around. They're small, pretty much like the size of my little pinky here fits through them. Very, very pretty. And they do just have a post. I love them. And the bracelet that came in the set is adorable as well. Look at those pretty little opal type stones there, 3 on each side. I love it. And of course it is flexible, so you don't have to worry about it getting stiff on your arm, which I love. So pretty. And also a necklace, and this necklace is so, so pretty. Wait till I show it to you. If I could get my fingers to work here. But it is a double strand. Little infinity circles there, and they have sparkle. And I love how the double strand starts here near the bottom, so right where my fingers are here. Doesn't go the whole way up. And it is a shorter necklace. But I love this. Love the whole set. Adorable. So that is my favorite jewelry for May, and all of my favorites for May. I picked quite a few. I think I have 10 here. Love them. So I feel like with this collection, I am set for June. I have all my favorites. I even could pack for a weekend away at the beach if we ever get the go-ahead and the clear to travel. That would be great. I'm ready to explore, I think, for a little bit, as long as it's safe. So I am waiting to see what happens and how the states all are reacting as things start to open. Nothing is really opening yet in my state, but we are supposed to, they're talking about my county moving to green here by June 5th, but I'm not sure. I still don't understand what that means, because it doesn't mean that we're free to do whatever we want. It still means wear masks, but it does mean that restaurants can open, but with limited seating, I guess. Let me know what's happening in your areas. I would love to know. Are things open? I know some of you have said your hair salons are open. Mine is not yet. I'm still waiting to hear from my hairdresser, but I think in the green it means that they can open, but they just have to manage how many people are in the salon, I think. So I'm still waiting to hear. I'll be interested to see how things start to reopen again. But in my area, things other than the grocery stores, the Lowe's, things like that are open, but nothing else is really opened back up again. So let me know. Comment down below. I can't wait to know what you guys think about my favorites this month. Did you like these? I'm looking forward to wearing these pieces. I'm so excited about some of these awesome picks that I got. So I did really well with my Stitch Fixes and my Trend Sense in May. I'm so excited. Looking forward to seeing what happens when I get a new stylist for Stitch Fix. Fingers crossed I get a new one. It's always stressful when I lose an awesome stylist because, yeah, Kate was amazing. But I did do well as far as some of my amazing picks to be able to share 9 of my favorites with you, and of course my Glamour Jewelry Box. So comment below. Would love it if you would hit that like, hit that subscribe, show me some support. It really does help me. If you've subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please stay healthy, please stay well, and take care of yourselves. Lots of love from me and the Sidekicks. Until next time, everyone, have an amazing day. Bye.